College is a time for exploration, opening yourself up to new ideas, learning more about yourself, and envisioning what you want your future to look like. It's designed to be a path that can lead to many different possibilities. At BayPath, we encourage students to be open to all those possibilities. And we realize that paths can twist and swerve. So we're here to help our learners take mindful, intentional steps toward the promise of their future, without needing to take additional time and money to earn their degrees. At BayPath, you'll take a guided pathway that leads you to your degree. Even if you're not sure which pathway you want to follow, you'll take that first step during the admissions process, when you get to tell us who you are, the things that excite you, and the career path you might be thinking about. Your advisor works closely with faculty and industry experts to help you develop a personalized plan, with room to explore your interests and discover your unique abilities, while staying on track to complete your degree and get your diploma on time. As you travel along your path, your advisor will help you navigate requirements, select courses, and engage in real-life learning and working experiences with support, guidance, and flexibility, ensuring each step coincides with your major, your learning goals, and your career aspirations, as you make your way toward graduation day and the bright future that awaits. Let's do this!